So today we went on a little, I think they call it a Tiki tour or something like that, with Mark and Dawn. So just going around to different spots around Canterbury and around the local area, just get a feel for the place, see some views. Yeah, check it out.
My agent name is
No, what was it?
Fake Kiwi.
So they know it's you.
Does this look like you're here?
It's probably better than up here.
All appearances.
Yeah. Brighton Pier. Sorry, you can talk over it, it's fine.
That's okay. I didn't have anything to say.
I'm gonna hit this wave. Probably, hopefully.
So this is a big sandy peninsula that goes out and then it stops. So we have to go all the way back and then over to the other side. And
Okay.
we're gonna end up in a cove about 3 or 4 dents in down that way. Because that's Godly Head there, isn't it? Yeah.
I was hoping these surfers would.
And Godly Head was a military placement.
Right.
So they were looking for submarines that were going into Littleton Harbor.
Yeah.
Was there ever a Japanese?
One homemade one taken out. Very much a Dad's Army associated kind of thing.
Yeah. Land where health and safety doesn't exist.
Well, health. There's no safety. Just health.
This is the Shelby Wright Road.
Is this a one-way street?
No, it's two-way.
It's 2 lane.
Alright.
Like I said. Squirrel's ringer. You can roll the window down if you need less
It's okay.
glass glare. Another cyclist here. So down in the bottom at Taylor's Mistake, you can start a path that will climb up and over to where we're headed to. Takes about
So we're over there. So pretty.
There we go. Comfortable.
See as far as the eye can see. Yeah, I should have left them in there. Far out into the ocean.
Even that one's painted.
Nice little cove.